Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Tulare local and long-distance movers near me. Relocating across the country offers challenges when you get to moving day. With the right long-distance moving company, you get the benefits you need with your move. We can make things go smoothly and protect your belongings along the way. When you need to move 100 miles away or further, you need the right moving services. We offer all the necessary options including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. A California moving company can make your local moves so much easier. We make moving so simple when you don't want to do all of the work yourself. Our team will save you time and make your moves stress-free. With 3 Movers, you can avoid the heavy lifting and save time. We offer professional movers to help you get settled in so much faster. A move that would take you a week to complete, we get done in less than a day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Tulare moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.